Hey guys, Raphael here again with Nova Cleaners. I get asked all the time, how do you clean the pet fur off a sofa? Well, here's how we do it at Nova Cleaners. First, we use the Shark Apex, one of my personal favorites. Reason being, it has a lot of suction, but it has great attachment pieces that you can use for your sofa. So this right here, I'll show you, is a motorized brush. So that little brush spins to help lift off all that pet fur, dirt and grime on your sofa. So along with the powerful suction, all that fur gets trapped in the vacuum and it makes your job a lot easier. The other thing is this little tool right here. It's much smaller than this one and it has little bristles on the top, again, to help scrape off the pet fur and pull in with the suction. It's great because it's smaller and gets into the hard to reach places. And of course, you can't forget about this tool, the crevice tool. So this is, again, for hard to reach places. If you have a sofa where you can take the cushions off, obviously I always recommend doing that for a good thorough cleaning. But there is sofas where you can't do that, so that tool will be your friend. Now, last but not least, one of my personal favorites. When you're cleaning a sofa and pet fur is your enemy, you don't just want to clean the fur off, but you also want to deodorize because you love your pets, not so much the smell that comes with it. And especially if you have company coming over, right? So what we do is we grab a microfiber cloth and you guessed it, Dawn dish soap, damp the cloth because Dawn dish soap works really well at deodorizing. It also works great for lifting dirt and grease that comes with pet fur. So if you want a nice clean sofa, this is the approach that we take at Nova Cleaners, and you can do this as well. Thanks for watching. See you soon.